For this design, you're going to use 4 260s, one mocha brown, one green, one dark blue, and one yellow. All right, so blow those up. The first one's going to be all the way blown up for the tree trunk, and the leaves is just going to have a 1 inch or 1 finger's length at the end. And then the body of the monkey is going to have about 3 fingers lengths left at the end. And then this is for the bananas, and you just want somewhere around 7 fingers lengths for the bubble. All right, grab that first one, which is going to be the leaves. And that one has a little nub at the end, so you can tie those two together. Tie it once around, and then a second time to lock it in. So now you're going to bring these into equal parts, right down the middle. And I like to pull it apart, and you can find that center just by pulling, and then you bring it together, and then you twist it. That way they're even loops on both sides. Now you're going to fold it over and do the exact same thing. So you're going to pull it, and on that right side you'll find that center, bring it together, and then go ahead and just make a twist there with 2 of them on each side. And that makes the leaves or fronds of the palm tree. Now go ahead and grab that first one we blew up, and you're just going to push it right into that center there. And I like to have about 1 inch come out on top, so it looks just like that. And that is the tree. It's as simple as that. All right, go ahead and grab whatever color you chose for your monkey body. That was about 3 fingers lengths left. All right, so we're going to make a little less than 1 inch bubble there. It's going to be the nose. The next is the ear. A little bit bigger bubble than the first one. And pinch twist that ear. And then the third bubble there is going to be the head. So I like to make that about the same size as the nose, either way a little smaller than the ear. That fourth bubble is going to be just like the other ear because it's the second ear. Pinch twist that. And now what you're going to do is you're actually going to do one big pinch twist with those top 3. The ear, the head, and then the other ear. And just twist them all at one time while holding the big bubble that's left and the nose. Okay, making some adjustments there. And that's the head of the monkey. So now you're going to do a 1 inch bubble that creates the neck. And then you're just going to do a simple loop twist for the front legs. And this is about 5 fingers lengths. So twist that in. And then now you're going to make the main mid body, which is about 5 finger lengths. And then you do the exact same thing as you did for those front legs. Make another simple loop twist and do it the same size, about 5 finger lengths. So adjust the body where you need to. And then I like to just curl that tail downward. There's a nice monkey shape to it. And if you notice there, I'm pointing at it because it's got extra air in that bubble. So we probably could have put a little less air to begin with. So that's a good lesson there for you. So now grab that tree we just made a second ago. And toward the bottom of it there, we're going to push that monkey up the tree. Push it through those first legs, that first loop, and then through the second. And I just like to hold on to it and brace that second loop and then pull that balloon right through. It slides right up to the top. All right, you're almost done. We just have one more to go. So we're going to grab our yellow for the bananas. And this one was somewhere around 7 fingers lengths. So you're going to do actually 3 equal bubbles, which will make the bananas. So you twist that first one in, and then you do the second one, so it's the same size. Loop that nub around, and then push it through. And then take the end of it and then push it through the middle. and then just pull the excess balloon out and then pull it nice and tight. And that creates a nice little cluster of bananas. All right, so grab that tree we just made with the monkey on it, and you just push the very end, the uninflated part of the banana, right into those leaves. And you just like to hide it in there so you can't see that. All right, we got some bananas there for the monkey, and our balloon is all done. You just made a monkey in a tree with bananas. Good job.